Okay guys, today we're checking out something really cool. These are going to be hearing amplifiers. I've never tried anything like this before. A brand sent me these to make a video over, so I'm going to be trying them out for the first time today. I just opened up the box. This is exactly what came in there. Some cleaners, I think. So I got a little brush and a little piece on the end here, and I'll find out what that's for. We have the manual. We have the charging cable, which these are going to be USB-C charged. And the hearing amplifiers themselves. Get them out of this package. And that's what the case looks like. Open them up. And it's going to have the little blue piece on here. You're going to have to take that off to charge these. So make sure you take that off of both of them, or they may not ever charge. And it won't connect to the case either. So gotta take them off, put them back in the case, and they'll kind of recognize that they're being used now. Okay, so I got the little blue piece off. I put it in here, and this thing was actually whistling as soon as I connected it. And the instructions say that the volume is too high if it's whistling. And to be able to adjust these, you're gonna touch the side. And you can see here where it has a little thumbprint. See a little thumbprint? So that's how you're going to adjust the volume on these things. So you're just going to keep pressing it and pressing it and pressing it. It will go to the highest volume, and then you press it one more time, and then it will drop back down to the lowest. So that's all you have to do is press it. It will turn up and turn down on its own. I'm going to put the other ones in as well. And I'm going to test these out by having my wife talk in the hallway, and I'm going to test the different volumes out and see, how that works. Okay, I have my wife standing way out of the room right now. She's at my front door, which is probably 35 feet away from me right now. And you're going to be able to see if you can hear it on the mic or if I can hear it before the mic can. I heard something, but not quite loud enough. It sounds like whisper. Crispy? Oh, Christy. Almost. So I don't know if you heard it in the mic or not. Obviously, the mic's going to pick a better sound than your ears would. But this thing definitely increased. I can hear like everything that's going on. Whenever I put these in, she was doing stuff in the living room that I could definitely hear. These definitely work. And this is especially, obviously, the closer you are, the more it's going to work. But I feel like my whole head is echoing right now because my hearing is just fine. But I can imagine if you were hearing, if you couldn't hear well, then this would definitely help you. And like I said, or I don't know if I said, I have a neighbor who his hearing isn't as good as it used to be, but not bad enough that he wants to go get it checked out yet. So I think I'm going to go have him try these out and see if he wants these, because these would be perfect for him. Because his hearing's a little bad, but just not bad enough that he needs to go see someone about it. But these things work. They're pretty much plug and play. Pull them out, take the little blue piece off, put them back in. They'll kind of recognize that they're getting used. They're good to go. And whenever you hit the highest volume, it beeps twice. So I just turned it down to the lowest because I had it at the highest. And the lowest is barely... There's a good range. I can barely hear more at the lowest setting. But at the highest setting, like I said, my head was like echoing. So that's these earbuds or hearing amplifiers, not earbuds. They are earbuds, but they also amplify. But that's these hearing amplifiers. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.